Welcome to Getting Started with Regional Business News. In this brief tutorial, we'll go over how to access regional business news, what kind of information is available in this database, and how to set up a search. Let's get started. Visit the library's website at lib.purdue.edu to access the A to Z list of databases. You'll find regional business news on this list. Regional Business News provides comprehensive full-text coverage for regional business publications, incorporating 75 business news magazines, newspapers, and newswires from all metropolitan and rural areas within the United States. This is the Regional Business News homepage. Regional Business News is an EBSCO database, so the interface may seem familiar if you've used other EBSCO databases in the past. In the upper middle part of the page, you'll find the search box. Below, you'll find a variety of options that will help you tailor your search. For example, you can select a specific search mode, whether you want to search using Boolean operators like the words and, or, and not, or search for an exact phrase. You can also choose to limit your results to full text, peer-reviewed content, published within a specific time frame. You may notice that by default the search is set to basic. If you would like to tailor your search more, you can click on the Advanced Search link, which provides additional options to search multiple terms by field and limit the document type. Let's set up an example search here on the Advanced Search page. In the first search box, we'll type Generative AI in quotations. The quotations will ensure that the search only includes results where those two words are found right next to each other. Let's change the first operator to or, then type Artificial Intelligence, also in quotations, into the second search box. Next, we'll leave the second operator set to, and then type Cybersecurity into the third search box. Scrolling down just a little to the search options, we'll choose to limit the results to those linked to full text. Let's also enter a publication date range of 2022 to 2024. Now we'll click the search button to run the search. The number of search results is located near the top of the page. On the left side of the page, you'll find a quick summary of the current search parameters, along with additional filters to further limit your results. As you scroll through the results, you can hover over the preview icon that looks like a magnifying glass over a piece of paper, located to the right of the title, to read the abstract. For this example, about CrowdStrike and NVIDIA, we can click on the HTML full-text link to read more. From here, we can print, export, or save the results using the menu options on the right. We also have the option to generate a citation. Always remember to double-check all auto-generated citations for errors. Now you know how to access regional business news, what kind of information is available within this database, and how to set up a search. For more information and other business-related resources, visit the Parish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt. If you have any questions, contact the Parish Library at parlib@purdue.edu. Thanks for watching.